Alright, welcome back my dear students. So it's time for us to jump in and create a new Laravel project. We're gonna be using Git and we're gonna be using Composer, alright? Pretty cool. Let's get to it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and open my Git command line. And if it opens, that would be nice. There we go. And now here I'm gonna type ls because I want to know where I am. And basically when you really open it up in the beginning, you're gonna be in the root directory, right? All the way in the root directory where you can access everything in your computer. So I want to access XAMPP htdocs folder because that's where our project is going to be located in this lectures. All right. Now maybe later on we'll use some other advanced tools and do this with virtual boxes, maybe. But right now that's where we're gonna be having it. All right. So let's go to that specific folder. So let's go cd. Let's go to the C drive and let's look for XAMPP. Let's just, let me see this. C drive and let's look for XAMPP and htdocs, and that's it. And we do ls here, we see that it's empty. So now let's use Composer to create a new project. Let's clear this. So clear, enter. All right, make this a little bigger there. There we go. Now let's create project. So we're gonna say Composer, that's the first command, and then this should be exactly like I'm typing it right here. So create project and then the name of the vendor package Laravel, and then the name of that folder that you want your project to be in. All right, so why don't we call this CMS just for the heck of it? All right, CMS, and we can delete this later on, it really doesn't matter. Now if you leave this like this, this is going to download the latest Laravel version. All right, you can type enter and you're good to go. Now, you can do this as well, preferred distro. All right, that would be the latest preferred distribution. Now, if you want to, what you can do is you can type in the version number of the version of Laravel that you want to use. In my case, we are up to 5.2. Now, if you are in the future and the version is 7.2, I'm gonna tell you right now that this project will always be updating. All right. So at the end of the project, this project, you're gonna see some updated sections that are gonna say, okay, what's new on Laravel 5.3, what's new on Laravel 5.4 or 6.0, 7.0, and then now we're gonna keep updating this as time goes, because I'm gonna make this project like a general project where you can come in and find out what's new on Laravel. All right, not only are you gonna find out the foundation from the beginning, but you're also going to be updated all the time. All right, so 5.2, that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna click enter. And I could have put preferred distribution, but that's fine. Let's just leave it like this. Now, this is going to take, depending on your CPU, your memory, all that, a couple seconds or maybe a couple minutes. Don't be patient and just wait for it. As long as you have this first one here, all right, that says create a project in CMS and it says loading, all right, you're good to go. It's gonna keep installing. And I'm gonna pause it, and when it finishes I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, alright, so my finish installing this, it took like a minute. I'm using a virtual computer, by the way. This is a Windows computer inside a Macintosh computer, so I don't have as many resources as I have in my Mac, so it takes a little longer. But anyway, it's installed already, and we even have a key, an application key. Alright, so if you have that, you're good to go. Now, to see this, all we have to do is go to our, let's see if I can find it here somewhere. Let's go to our local disk. Let's go to XAMPP. Let's go to our htdocs. And now you can see the folder that was created, CMS. And now inside CMS, you see all the files for that Laravel project. All right. If you go to vendor, you can see all its dependencies. It's gonna be installing everything here that it needs. All right. Back here, we also have, there are many different files, and I'm gonna go over with them with you, but just know that it is installed already. We are almost good to go. right? So if you got this far, very good job. You're doing very good. And I'll see you in the next lecture. Perfect. Take care.